Hello everyone, in that video we will discuss health benefits of turmeric and myself Fakhar. Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Many high quality studies show that it has major benefits for your body and brain. We will discuss some top evidence based health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Turmeric is a spice that gives curry its yellow color. It has been widely used in Asian countries for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. Recently, science has created to back up what Asians have known for a long time. It really does contain compounds with medicinal properties. These compounds are called curcuminoids, the most important of which is curcumin. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. However, the curcumin content of turmeric is not that high. It's around 3% by weight. Most of the studies on this herb are using turmeric extract that contain mostly curcumin itself, with dosage usually exceeding 1 gram per day. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight foreign invaders and also has a role in repairing damage. Without inflammation, pathogens like bacteria could easily take over your body and kill you. Although acute and short-term inflammation is beneficial, it can become a major problem when it becomes chronic and inappropriately attacks your body's own tissue. Turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of body. Oxidative damage is believed to be one of the mechanisms behind aging and many diseases. It involves free radicals, highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons. Free radicals tend to react with important organic substances such as fatty acids, proteins, or DNA. The main reason antioxidants are so beneficial is that they protect your body from free radicals. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals due to its chemical structure. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Back in the day, it was believed that neurons weren't able to divide and multiply after early childhood. However, it is now known that this does happen. Neurons are capable of forming new connections, but in certain areas of the brain that can also multiply and increase in number. One of the main drivers of this process is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a type of growth hormone that functions in your brain. Many common brain disorders have been linked to decreased level of this hormone, including depression and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin should lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the #1 cause of disease in the world. Researchers have studied it for many decades and learned a lot about why it happens. Unsurprisingly, heart disease is incredibly complicated and various things contribute to it. Curcumin may help reverse many steps in the heart disease process. Perhaps the main benefit of curcumin when it comes to heart diseases is improving the function of endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. Turmeric can help prevent cancer. Cancer is a terrible disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. There are many different forms of cancer which still have several things in common. Some of them appear to be affected by curcumin supplements. Curcumin has been studied as a beneficial herb in cancer treatment and been found to affect cancer growth and development. So curcumin can prevent cancer and can be used to treat cancer. Curcumin may be useful in preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative disease in the world and a leading cause of dementia. Unfortunately, no good treatment is available for Alzheimer's yet. Therefore, preventing it from occurring in the first place is of utmost importance. It is known that inflammation and oxidative damage play a role in Alzheimer's disease, and curcumin have beneficial effects on both. Arthritis patients respond very well to curcumin supplements. Arthritis is a common problem in Western countries. There are several different types, most of which involve inflammation in the joints. Given that curcumin is a potential anti-inflammatory compound, it makes sense that it may help with arthritis. Studies shows that curcumin has incredible benefits against depression. Curcumin has shown some promise in treating depression. In a controlled trial, 60 people with depression were randomized into 3 groups. One group took Parazoc, another group 1 gram of curcumin, and the third group with Parazoc and curcumin. After 6 weeks, curcumin had led to improvements that were similar to Parazoc. The group that took both Parazoc and curcumin fared best. Curcumin may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. If curcumin can really help prevent heart diseases, cancer and Alzheimer, it would have obvious benefits for long life. For this reason, curcumin has become very popular as an anti-aging supplement. But given that oxidation and inflammation are believed to play a role in aging, curcumin may have effects and go way beyond just preventing disease. If you want more content like this, then subscribe to my channel. Like the video, share it with your friends, press the bell icon to get instant updates. Stay blessed.